Are you thinking about buying new construction? Well, there are a few things you need to know about. Hi, I'm Tanya Cosmini from Homes by Sam and Tanya and Florida Homes Realty and Mortgage. And if you're looking to buy new construction, you need to make sure you are working with a builder that you are comfortable communicating with. Contrary to what you might have heard, you still need a realtor. You are not saving yourself any money by not having one. The builder has already set aside money for the buyer's agent fee, and selling the house to you for less would affect the future homes in the development. So it wouldn't make any sense and it would be a disadvantage to them. Remember, when buying a new home construction, the agent in the office represents the seller. They have their best interests at heart, not yours. So be sure to have representation to protect you. Call us at Homes by Sam and Tanya. We've been able to negotiate upgrades and save our clients thousands of dollars while buying new construction. And remember, using us is free to you. The builder pays our fees, but we're here to protect you. Once again, this is Tanya Cosmini with Homes by Sam and Tanya, and we are simplifying real estate.